for a couple of minutes. The laser flash only breaks the sight of the whole temporarily. To totally defeat him, you've got to find their leader, Starro the Conqueror. If you locate him, blast the spore on his chest.
Attention volunteers, you're needed in Gotham City. Prepare for teleportation.
Join Starro!
Great job. I'm teleporting you to Metropolis. Supergirl and Wonder Woman need your help.
Stop! Now conquer the galaxy out my eyes.
Don't worry, I got it.
Now let's get to Central City to help the Flash.
Force One is headed this way. Let's do this! Get out of here!
Be on guard. One of the launcher spacecrafts landed up ahead.
Go back. Go back. Huh? Okay. Go on through.
Hit the spore on his face! Now! Remake. I'm sorry, are you okay? Yeah. Follow me.
Damage to the ship is critical. It could blow any second. We need to get you out of there. Let's move.
Great job.
You're all true heroes, and now honorary members of the Justice League.
Great.